G'day and welcome back to Stiffy's workshop. Today I'm going to be fitting a mirror to my postie bike. Initially I was going to make a video about this, but then I thought it's actually a pretty interesting mechanism, and if you're trying to get one off it might be difficult unless you know how they work. So the way they bolt to the bar is you have this little bracket, and that's adjustable with this Allen key here, and then the mirror itself screws into here. And the way the mirror mechanism works I found was quite interesting. So I've got a thread on this section here, and then this is basically a nut that's free to sort of rotate on the mirror section. So what that means is when you're installing it, you can be turning the entire mirror around, and then when you've sort of got it in the spot that you want it, then you nip this little lock nut down. And what I thought that was interesting was it means that you have a height adjustable sort of ability with the mirror, as well as sort of an angle adjust, and quite a well fixed sort of mechanism. So I guess, yeah, that's how that works, and I'll put it on the bike. For the installation I'm going to be using a trusty 10-inch Elephant made in China wrench, as you know, forged alloy steel, so it's pretty fantastic sort of wrench. It's not a, don't need to get too precise with it. It's a mirror on a postie bike. Let's do it simple. So you come over to your postie bike, screw in your mirror, righto, screw it out a bit so it's in a position where you want it, so you can see what's going on behind you. Screw down the little fixing nut. Whip out your Elephant, your big 10-inch Elephant. Open it up to the correct size, which is nominally probably about 13 millimeters. Nip it up a little bit. Push the mirror back to where you want it. Nip it up again as you have to. Tighten up your Elephant if your Elephant's got all loose. You don't want a loose Elephant. And you're done. Got a mirror on your postie bike. Well done.